Hey guys, we will now go through setting up and some of the features of the Hik-Partner Pro app. Let's get into it. We will now go through where to download your Hik-Partner Pro app. The first thing you're going to do is open your Play Store. You will now hit the search bar and search for Hik-Partner Pro app. You can now click on the Hik-Partner Pro search. You will now select the Hik-Partner Pro app. You can now select install. App will now download in the background. Once download has completed, the app will install on your phone. After installation has been completed, you can click on Open. And that was where to download your Hik-Partner Pro app. We will now go through registering your Hik-Partner Pro app. After the app has been installed and loaded, you will select Agree and Continue. You will now select your region, South Africa. You can now go ahead and select Register. You will select I am a service provider or an end user. We will select I am a service provider. You will select the type of service provider. We will be doing installer. Click OK. We will be using create account by email and fill in all the details below. And we will select verify. Complete the captcha. You will now wait to receive a verification code on your email address. Once received, you will enter it under verification code. You will now select your region to enter your telephone number, South Africa. Enter your phone number. Create a suitable password. Select I agree. Go ahead and click register. Congratulations, you have registered successfully. The app will now load into company authentication. You can authenticate your company now or later. We will select later. Select I would like to receive. When I agree to terms, you can go ahead and click I agree. The app will now load into the home page, and that was how to register your Hik-Partner Pro app. We will now go through how to authenticate your company on the Hik-Partner Pro app. The first thing we are going to do is click on Me, bottom right. We will now click on Authenticate Now at the top. You can go ahead and click Authenticate Now at the bottom. You can now fill in your company information. You will now select the distributor you purchase from. You will now fill in information about your company's history and installation information. Once you have completed filling in all the relevant information, you can go ahead and click on Finish. Your authentication application has been submitted. You can go ahead and click Finish. You will be notified once your authentication is successful. And that was how to apply for authentication on your Hik-Partner Pro app. We will now go through using our Hik-Partner Pro app to add a device to a site. The first thing we are going to do is select the Site tab at the bottom. We will not be linking an account, so you can close that. You can select Add Site at the top left. By selecting site name, you can create a name for your site. You can go ahead and modify your time zone. You can go ahead and click OK at the bottom. The site has been added successfully. We are going to click Add Device at the bottom. We will select Scan QR Code at the top left. Select Allow. Go ahead and scan the QR code on your DVR found under the Hik-Connect settings. Device has been added. You can go ahead and select Finish at the bottom. You will now click Verify on the right and add in the device password. Go ahead and enter the device password. Once the password has been entered, go ahead and select Next at the bottom. The device has been added to the site. Go ahead and select Handover Site. You will now select Handover by transferring. You can read the above and select OK. You will now be taken to the site permissions. Go ahead and select Live View. Once completed, go ahead and click Next. We will be doing a handover via phone or email. Select it. You will now enter your customer's phone number. Once completed, go ahead and select Submit Application. We will not be sending a SMS as well, so you can close that. Read the tip and select OK. Once completed, we will now move over to the Hik-Connect app, where you will go ahead and open the Notifications tab. Go ahead and select Services and select the new notification. Select Agree bottom right to accept the handover. The customer will now be asked to accept the application permissions. Go ahead and select Agree. The customer will now receive a prompt regarding authorization. Click OK. When both applications is refreshed, you will now see a new user at the top of your Hik-Partner Pro app. You can select back to view your newly added site, and that was adding a device to a site on your Hik-Partner Pro app. We will now go through how to do a password reset using your Hik-Partner Pro app. The first thing we are going to do is open your Hik-Partner Pro app. Once you are in your Hik-Partner Pro app, go to Home, bottom left. At the top where you see SADP tool, you're going to scroll to your left. You will click on Online Support Case. At the bottom, you will select New Case. You will select Device Password Reset. Make sure your cell phone and the device is on the same network, and select LAN device. You will now select your device from the list. IDS 7208 HQHI M1/S. The device serial is confirmed. You can click on device label, use your camera, and take a picture of the device label at the bottom or on the side of your device. Go ahead and click OK. You can select you hereby undertake and accept. You will now wait for the label to upload. Label was successfully uploaded. You can go ahead and select confirm. Case has been submitted successfully. Go ahead and select back, top left, back again, back once more till you get to home. You will now await a notification from your Pro Partner app. Go ahead and select the notification. It will take you through to your case. You will see a code. Next to the code is a copy button. Go ahead and select the copy button. You will now go back, top left, click the plus, top left, select SADP, go to your device, 7208 HQHI M1/S, select the 3 dots, select reset password, select forgot password. You can hit the paste button, create your new password, go ahead and confirm your password. Once completed, select OK. Operation successful. And that was how to reset your password using the Hik-Partner Pro app. We will now go through using our Hik-Partner Pro app to unbind a Hikvision DVR. First thing we're going to do is open our Hik-Partner Pro app. In the bottom left, you will select Home. At the top where you see Health Monitoring and SADP Tool, you will scroll to the left and you will open Online Support Case. At the bottom, you will select New Case and we will be doing device unbinding. Because we're on the same network as the device, we will do LAN device. We'll show up all the devices. We are going to use the IDS 7208 HQHI M1/S. We will now select Add Device Label, select Camera. In the bottom of the DVR, you will see the label there. Take a picture of that. Once you are happy with your picture, select OK. The SADP string has already been added there. You will select by requesting to unbind the above. The device label is busy uploading. Device label has been uploaded. The time now is 16:08. We will click confirm at the bottom. We are waiting the case to be submitted. Case submitted successfully. We will now click back again, back once more till we get to the home page. And we will await a notification from the Hik-Partner Pro app. Our time is now 16:09. We have received the notification from our Partner Pro app. We select it. It opens the case and it says the device has been unbound successfully. And that was how to unbind your Hikvision DVR using the Hik-Partner Pro app.